How to create a budget that works in the USA. Yo, what's good, fam? Welcome back to Saving Money, the channel that's about to make you richer than your ex's new boyfriend. Real talk. 78% of Americans are living paycheck to paycheck right now in coming year. That's 4 out of 5 people watching this video, maybe even you. But here's the plot twist. In the next few minutes, I'm gonna hand you the exact budget system that helped me and over 87,000 subscribers go from drowning in $37,000 debt to stacking $5K to $20,000 emergency funds, killing credit cards, and actually taking vacations again without getting a second job or winning the lottery. If a 27-year-old bartender from Ohio can do it, so can you. Smash the like button if you're tired of being broke, and let's jump in. First, you gotta hear Jake's story. This is gonna hit different. 1. Jake's wake-up call. Why most budgets fail in America. Jake was 29, making $68,000 in Dallas. Decent job, but every month he was $400 short. Rent $1,800, car note $528, DoorDash addiction $600, subscriptions he forgot about. Bro was bleeding money. He tried budgeting with apps, failed in 11 days. Why? Because 99% of budget advice is written by people who've never paid American rent, American student loans, or American health insurance. Today, you're getting the budget that actually works in the USA in 2025. Inflation, $5 coffee, $1,200 iPhones, and all. 2. Incoming year American money reality check. Average rent 1 bed outside city center, $1,767. Average health insurance, single, $480. Mo average student loan payment, $393. Average car payment, $561. Average credit card debt, $6,380. Your paycheck isn't small. The game is just rigged. But we're about to unrig it. 3. The anti-budget budget. Why this one is different. We're not doing the 50/30/20 rule. That's cute for 2012. We're using the ** incoming year paycheck firewall system. The system that works when you got real American bills. 4. Step 0, the mindset flip. Stop thinking budget equals punishment. A budget isn't about restriction. It's about telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. Think of it like this. Your money is a bunch of hyper golden retrievers. Without a fence, they run wild. Your budget is the fence. 5. Step 1. Know your after-tax take-home pay. Most people guess. Stop that. Look at your pay stub. Gives net pay equals the money that actually hits your bank. Example. $5,000 gross gives $3,880 take-home after taxes. 401k health insurance. That's your real number. Write it down right now in the comments. My take home is $_6. The 4 bank account hack. Most Americans never use rich people separate money. Broke people don't. Open these 4 free accounts. I use Ally, Capital One 360, or SoFi One, Bills Account 2, Spending Account 3, Savings Goals Account 4, Investments Emergency Fund. We automate everything on payday. You'll never accidentally spend rent money again. 7. Step 2. The fixed costs first method. List every bill that's the same every month. Rent, mortgage, car payment, insurance car, health, renters, student loans, subscriptions. Audit these like the FBI. Jake's fixed costs $3,120 out of $4,200 take home. He had $1,080 left for everything else. Brutal, but now he knew.
8. The Subscription Purge Challenge. Average American pays $219. Mo on subscriptions they forgot. Do this right now. 1. Log into your bank. Give search subscription. Recurring names like Netflix, Apple, Adobe. 2. Cancel anything you haven't used in 30 days. One subscriber saved $187. Mo doing this in 18 minutes. 9. Step 3. The Variable Expenses Trap and How to Crush It. Groceries, gas, eating out, Target runs. These kill budgets. Use the *** cash envelope system. 2.0 digital version *** groceries. $400. Mo gas, $200. Eating out, $250. Fun money, $150. Put exact amounts on reloadable prepaid cards or Apple Cash categories. 10. The Grocery Game. Save $300. Mo. Without coupons. Tips Americans actually use. Shop Aldi, Walmart, or Costco. Not whole paycheck. Buy meat in bulk. On Manager's Special Freeze It. Use Ibotta plus Fetch. Real people make $50. $150. Mo back meal plan Sunday night. One subscriber. Dropped from $940 to $380. Mo 11. Step 4. In the coming year paycheck firewall. Blueprint. Here's the exact percent I want you to use. Starting today, 100% of paycheck hits main account. Gives auto split on payday. Gives 60 to 65% bills account rent. Loans, utilities gives 10% savings. Goals vacation, new phone, Christmas. Gives 10% investments. Emergency fund gives 15 to 20% spending account. Everything fun. This works whether you make $35,000 or $350,000. 12. The guilt-free spending account. Why it's critical. Speed. If you give yourself zero fun money, you'll blow the budget in week 2. $200, $400. Mo just for you. No questions asked. Tacos, sneakers, concert tickets. When it's gone, it's gone. No guilt. 13. How to build a $1,000 emergency fund in 60 days, even on minimum wage challenge. Sell $300 worth of stuff on Facebook Marketplace. This weekend, pick up 10 extra shifts or to side gigs. $700. Cut eating out completely for 30 days. $400 saved. Boom. $1,000 starter fund. You're now ahead of 60% of Americans. 14. The debt snowball versus avalanche debate. Which one actually works faster in 2025? Snowball. Dave Ramsey. Smallest balance first. Gives motivation. Avalanche. Highest interest first gives. Saves more money in coming year. Verdict. Do snowball if you need wins. Switch to avalanche after 2 debts gone. 15. Credit card hacks that still work in coming year. 0% balance transfer cards. Chase Slate Edge. City Simplicity, up to 21 months. Use YNAB or Monarch to track every dollar. Pay statement balance in full every month or you're cooked. 16. The no budget weekend rule, once a month. Check your accounts. If all bills are paid and you're on track, spend whatever is in spending account. Guilt-free, keeps you sane. 17. How to adjust when life hits job loss. Medical bill, car brakes, pause, all non-essential savings. Attack the emergency with side hustle plus / spending. One subscriber paid a $4,800 ER bill in 5 months, driving Uber Eats 15 hours per week. 18 real subscriber stories proof this works. Sarah, Atlanta nurse, paid off $42,000 student loans in 26 months. Mike, truck driver, Nevada, saved $18,000 for his wedding cash. Aisha, teacher, Chicago, built $12,000 emergency fund on $54,000 salary. 19 You're 30. Day challenge. Do this and thank me later. Day 1, 2, 3. Track every penny. Use a notebook or app. Day 4 to 7. Set up the 4 bank accounts. Day 8 to 15. Run the subscription purge plus sell $200. Stuff. Day 16 to 30. Follow the paycheck firewall. Percentages. Comment, I'm in if you're doing the challenge. Listen. If you actually do what I just laid out, I promise you this time next year you'll be in the top 5% of wealthy Americans for your age. Not because you make more, but because you kept more. If this helped, destroy that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Next video drops, the $0 down side hustles that pay $1,000 plus mo incoming year. Drop your take-home pay and biggest money struggle in the comments. I read every single one. You got this, fam. Let's stop being broke in America. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Subscribe button plus next video thumbnail plus link to free budget template in description.